This conference will now be recorded.
Very good morning to all. On behalf of KCS Kashinwar College of Arts and Science, Department of Physical Education, welcome you all to this international webinar on the occasion of our country's prestigious National Sports Day. We will wait for some time so other participants can come inside the webinar. Before that, we will put up some our college review. Samuel sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Good
You
morning,
can
Daniel,
put
sir.
the good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Can you put that
Okay.
video, sir?
Yes,
Can
sir,
you
sure,
share
sir.
that?
1 minute. Yes, sir,
So
sure, sir.
people can come in, sir.
Okay,
Participants
okay,
can
sir.
come. Okay, thank you.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, sir. No problem. Take your time, sir.
Daniel sir, is it visible now? Shall I play the video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can play this.
Is the audio, sir, is it audible? Daniel sir. Is it audible? Okay.
Sir, audio. Video can go. This is our college video. The bus facilities are showing in the video. Near our college, there is a Matarani bus stand. The perfect railway station is very near. This is our library. We are showing the library of our college. Students are utilizing the library. Our computer lab. This is what's updated within in our college. The latest technologies are using. This is our sports day event. This is our
சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பாங்கல்ல, நீங்க எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. இதுக்கு மேல தெரியல எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க, அது நீங்க எப்படி ஆன் பண்ணிப்பீங்க.
I go on this.
எங்க போவீங்க.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Again, sir, we welcome you
Good
all
morning.
to in our College of Arts and Science, sir. Department of
Yes, sir.
Physical Education. We will welcome you, sir. We have a wonderful occasion today. We are celebrating a National Sports Day in India. On this wonderful day, we are very much enlightened as a new being of the resources in our college. I like to thank you that to participate and accepted our invitation to this webinar as a resource person, sir. We will welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
I request the participants kindly mute your audio and video. I request all the participants kindly mute your audio and video. I like to thank those who have come yearly webinar to make this wonderful to be thank them. I like to thank everyone who participated. Just we will wait for another few more minutes to start this session. To thank the principal ma'am, she eagerly coming before the time. I like to thank ma'am and that ma'am, principal has motivated as this conduct this international webinar smooth the manner. I like to thank the college members, college board members, college guided and supported us to do this webinar. As partners have come inside. Before that, I will put some of the our board members who willingly vote us with profit. They are there time to spend without any. Some of the members are coming. I like thank each and everyone those who
ஓகேவா? என்ன பண்ணு?
No, no, what I'm trying to say, just be there around, just to start.
ஆ
Samuel sir, my audio is clear, sir.
Actually, your audio is not clear actually. Can you please speak louder?
Closer. Little more closer. No, close down.
Before
That
we are going to discuss, so some of the
Sir, make the mic a little closer, sir, so that we can hear. Your voice is not all clear. It is audible but not clear.
okay. Okay. Can you hear me now, Norman? Sir?
Yes, sir. Daniel, sir, it is now clear.
Samuel sir, now it is audible, sir, and clear, sir.
yes.
Now, yes,
Yes.
sir. Now it is pakka, sir. Now,
Yes.
now it is clear, sir. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Just I'm going to show some
Yes,
of
sir.
the photos that we can taken from our college. In our department, we have 3 faculty members: myself, Daniel, and V. Revati, physical director, and Ramya, physical director. This is the house we have in our department college. The department Kamarajar house. We gave our Tamil prestigious persons' names to the houses. Kamarajar house, it is in green color. Chidambarla house in blue color. Bharya house in yellow color. Vanjana house in yellow, red color. Just I'm showing some of the slides, so the participants can come inside. This is our ground. This is the top view of the college. Some of the activity we did in our sports events, track events, indoor games, multi-purpose ground, badminton court. It's a kabaddi. We are using as a multiple games we can play it on the ground: football, handball, volleyball, kabaddi, and kho. Some of the sports day events. Our college flag holder and the college Olympic flag holder, torch bearers. March past team. Winners of the house March past event. torch bearers lighting the Olympic torch. Some of the Silamam activity during the sports day, and karate activity during the sports day, and we organized a prestigious state level tournament, target ball tournament in our college last academic year. Some of the students who participated in Tamil Nadu level and India level. I think still the participants are coming inside. We can wait for 2 more minutes. We'll start by 11:35. Samuel, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Daniel, sir. Sorry, sir.
Is the audible and clear, sir?
Yes, sir. Now your voice is audible and it is very clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is on this wonderful sports day occasion, National Sports Day occasion. Our college is organized an international webinar. Once again, I like to thank the college management, board members, secretary and correspondent through PCA Vairmani sir, and also our mentor, principal, Dr. Shobha Edward ma'am, given full support to the international webinar. I think still the peoples are coming inside. Samuel sir,
Yes, sir.
you can share that slide, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it visible, sir?
Yes, 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 sir.
Yes.
First one, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
One second, sir. Samuel sir, shall we start the session, sir?
The 189 people have joined. So we have 189 participants. And good morning to one and all present here. Good morning to our principal, to the resource person, to the professors and the students. I think, Sir Daniel, shall we start, sir? I have made a resource person as presenter, so we can start the session, sir.
Okay,
190
okay,
now, exactly. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, warm greetings to all. Now we can start the webinar. Before going to the webinar, I like college board members, through PCA Vairmani sir, secretary and correspondent, and our principal, Dr. Shobha Edward ma'am, who is waiting on the line to give a special speech regarding this international webinar. And also, I like to thank the resource person who is waiting online to catch up the webinar topic. Now, I like to give the session to the principal ma'am. Principal ma'am, You are welcome to this webinar, ma'am. Kindly give a note on this webinar, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Yes.
audible, ma'am.
Yes.
Hearty thanks to our college, to KCS Kakinada College of Arts and Science, and to our secretary, sir, for motivating us in all our endeavors, especially for motivating and guiding the physical education department in this international event. So it is indeed a topic which needs discussion, and we surely have an eminent personality in our midst who would be sharing his views on this concept. So my voicing views on this concept would just be a brief introduction, and our special invitee, our resource person, would be sharing a lot with us. So thanks to our management for supporting with all the online activities, even during this lockdown. So it is actually unlocking our activities online. So we have not been locked down. We have unlocked our activities online. So now going on to the essence of today's event, conserving water to conserve life. So water is very essential for life, and this National Sports Day is giving importance to water. Their concept today is on water. So when the water dries out, that is the time when you know its worth. So it's better we are prepared to save water, and that will surely save us. So water is the best medicine. Instead of running around for various medicines due to not drinking water, it's better you take water which is free to you. So water is the best medicine, and it is a miracle drink compared to any other soft drinks. So instead of going in for anything else, you can go in for water, and it's better we don't allow life to slip down the drain. So when water goes down the drain, life is also going down the drain. So it's better every drop of water counts. And now that we are going in for during this COVID, we are going in for washing our hands. Even then, see that you conserve water for future. And to stay green, you need to go blue. So for going green is seeing that you take care of your plants. And when you take care of plants, you are taking care of human activity. So to go green, you need to be blue. So you have to save water so that you can go green. And if you do not learn to conserve water, you will turn out to be fish outside the water. So when a fish is taken out of water, it is not able to survive. Same way, if we don't conserve water, we'll be like that fish which is out of water. So always they say, when a person is thirsty, water is more precious than gold. So with this small introduction, and with added thanks to our management and to the Department of Physical Education and to our resource person, to all the participants, to the vice principals of our college, faculty of our college, faculty of various colleges, students from various colleges and our own college. So with special thanks to all of them, I'm sure our resource person would be sharing lot of invaluable information with regard to water. So have a safe future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for wonderful wordings about the water, as well as all the things you sorted in a very short time. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your support and guidance. Now the main part of the webinar, I like to now invite our college physical director, Mrs. Ramya, to introduce the resource person in brief manner. Thank you, ma'am. It's now time to introduce the resource person.
Yes, sir. Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Ramya, Physical Director, Department of Physical Education, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I'm happy to introduce our resource person. I deem it a great honor and privilege to introduce the resource person of the webinar, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, who had put in more than 3 decades of service in the field of physical education and sports. And even at the age of 55, he actively traveled to several countries, including United Kingdom, Indonesia, Qatar, Jordan, Thailand, Malaysia, Germany, and Sri Lanka for coaching and officiating assignments. He is a qualified Asian Cricket Council Level 2 cricket coach who can coach the national cricket team of any country. With this capacity, he was a trainer for the national cricket team of Qatar between 2004 and 2008. He is also qualified International Tennis Federation white badge official from 2005 onwards, and also 2008 and 2009, 2018 and 2019 of a consecutive year, our resource person had officiated as line umpire in the prestigious international tennis event, the Wimbledon event, and not once but twice. And he was selected for this 3rd time in 2020. But unfortunately, due to COVID-19, the event was cancelled. He had also officiated in 2 Asian Games as a technical official, one at the 15th Asian Game held at Doha in 2006, and another one, the 2018 Asian Games held at Indonesia, but between 18th and 25th August 2018. Further, he was officiated as a chair umpire in another prestigious tennis event, Wisla held at Oman in 2018 and Jordan in 2019. To add another feathers to his glitter cap, his special qualities as a teacher won him the Best Teacher Award in the Scholastic category among the 21 CBSE schools in Oman. With this brief introduction, we now invite our resource person to preside over the session on water analyzer. Please, sir, the ball is in your court. It's your game from now. Thank you, sir.
Make it full.
Yes.
This
Yes,
you
sir.
can
Clear,
reduce.
sir.
Yes, sir. It was very clear, sir. You can go ahead,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, one and all. It is my pleasure. I am Karthikeyan from Indian School, Muscat, Oman, to be a part of this international webinar. What a day it is. It is a remarkable welcome address by our principal, Dr. Shobha Edward. It is great initiation by Mr. Vairamani, secretary and correspondent of the college. What a note to start the college in the year 1999 with Adi Perukku. The concept of Adi Perukku is for vegetation, planting the seeds. On the same concept, if we start the college so that the students' development will also take place in a green moment. What a novel idea. Following the footstep of Mr. Kamarajar, Karmaveerar Kamarajar, who made 2,000 wells and 626 tanks and 13 dams in his tenure as a chief minister. As I was going through it, the ethos of KCS Kasinadar was so eminent by bringing the selected courses for the children around this area so that to uplift both boys and girls. When I gone through your testimonial few minutes back, it is so fantastic. Even the physical education department is so vibrant in the form of Mr. Daniel, Madam Revati, and Madam Ramya. So nice to see around 12 children have represented the national team in the new sport. It is so heartening to know that. It is. I'm very, very delighted to be part of this. What a ethos of excel your knowledge. Superb. It's going to be a very good day for all of us. Most important, I'm welcoming on this occasion all the participants. I hope this is going to be one of the few hours in your life where we are going to exchange our views. Okay, let us start the webinar topic. Water and elixir. Elixir is a Greek word. The meaning of elixir is the magical power of water necessitated for common people during this pandemic as well. துப்பார்க்கு துப்பாய துப்பாக்கி துப்பார்க்கு துப்பாய தூவும் மழை உண்பவர்க்கு உணவுப் பொருட்களை விளைவித்து தருவதும் பருகுவர்க்கும் தானும் ஒரு உணவுப் பொருளாக இருப்பதும் மழையாகும் நீராகும். What else to say the importance of water? Yeah. Now, today is being a National Sports Day. It's a birthday of Major Dhyan Chand. What an inspiring hockey player, a wizard in his own stature. What a beautiful day again. His birthday, August 29th, is being celebrated as the National Sports Day. He has been phenomenal between 1928 to 36 Olympics. He brought 3 Olympics gold medal. Incidentally, in the year 1936, when the final game was held between Germany and India, India was trailing in the half time with 1 goal. The second half, they brought it back to made 3-1. At the end of the game, Hitler asked him, if you want to join here in our army, I will give the highest post in the army here in Germany. You can play as well as you can reach the highest position in the army. He said, I like to be a Paji in my country. I'm like to be a Sipa in my country. So that is the, the involvement of this Dhyan Chand. He has scored 570 goals in the span of few years. It is like scoring runs. In fact, our Donald Bradman, who was the god of cricket, they used to call us, he was mentioning about him. He is scoring the goals like we are scoring runs in cricket field. Such a phenomenal gentleman. His birthday being celebrated as the National Sports Day of India. What a coincidence. Let's move on to our topic. Let's come a little bit about why Chennai is hot and humid all throughout the year. Even during the winter, it goes around 30 degrees Celsius. Chennai is situated in a thermal equator region, so that light from the sun is coming too much on us. Not only that, it is located in the coastal region, so humidity level is always high. When compounded with the heat and humidity, naturally we tend to get more heat or hotter. They tested in different parts of Chennai during the summer 1 month. They recorded the temperature in different places. Madhya Kailash and extension, Anna Nagar, Avadi and extension, LIC, and that is a central part of the Chennai. You know very well, Madhya Kailas and their extension having little more green. Anna Nagar and the extension having little green. LIC no green. So naturally around 3 degrees Celsius difference they found out. It is we to do something about it, so that when you children started doing about it, it is going to be the change in the world to come in. Heat, humidity absorption, water retention helps to restore our natural reservoirs. It is our duty to do that. Now let's move on. What is hydration? The process of causing something to absorb water is called hydration. When you drink healthy habits, your internal function going to be normal. Your performance is going to be stable. When you have 8-glass mantra, it is going to be a starting point. But World Health Organization prescribes 1.7 liter, 2.7 liter, and 3.7 liter per day. 1.7 liter for kids below 13. Kids below 13, without the instruction of the teacher or one who take care of the child himself will not drink water. And moreover, in that age, the sweating glands are not developed so much. When coming to the ladies, it was 2.7 liter. Their BMI is little less when compared to the men. That is why 2.7 liter. And 3.7 liter for well-grown men. It is only a standardized form we have given. For a sports person, definitely I can tell you it will be 5 liter or sometimes 6 liter, depending on the physical activity you are involved and effort you are putting in and the surrounding you are working on it. All these things matters. Now let's move on. Definitely in general, if you are not practicing the hydration, you are tend to drink less. Even I used to be a chronic cramp person when I was starting the sports. I used to wonder myself. It has changed everything in 2004 onwards. There I've attended a course. It's called Medical Fitness Seminar. It was held in Bangalore. Under Asian Cricket Council, 16 countries were taking part, one each from the country. I've represented Qatar. So from that 4 days course, definitely as eye-opener in my life. From that day onwards, I started extending my knowledge to others. Now let's move on. What are the importance and why it is important, the water in our body? Now let's look into one by one system. In the brain, it is constitute around 75% of water. In the blood, it is around 83%. In the heart system, it moistens the air so that it breathes comfortably and carries nutrition and oxygen in different parts of the cells. The digestive organs convert food and regulates temperature. The excretory system removes waste and protects the vital organs. The bone cushions all the joints. Even in bones, it is 22% of water present. On the muscle, both internal as well as epithelial muscle, it is 75% are full of water. What else you need? When you're a child, it is around 75% of water. When you are an adult, around 65% of water in you. When you are little bit old, it will be around 55% of water present in your body all the time. Now let's look at some of the functions. It allows the brain to function properly. It allows the cells to grow optimally. It acts as a sponge between brain and spine. It helps cool down the body temperature. How? When it is hot, it is dilating the blood capillaries so that sweating comes out, so that our body keeps around 37 degrees centigrade so that it can function normally. When it is cold time, the blood capillaries constrict itself, doesn't allow the heat to come out so that your body is kept warm. It helps deliver oxygen around the body. It converts the food into energy. It lubricates joints by producing synovial fluid, and it flushes all the waste. Along with the saliva, your metabolism is getting better. Now let's look into one example. If a person drinking so much of water and output is this much, it's only an example given. When I say water, it's not water. When I'm having food, it is going as a semi-liquid in the form of 80% liquid and 20% solid. As a whole, it comes around 2.5 liter. On the side of wastages, we have two categories: insensible loss and sensible loss. The sensible loss is the one we can measure in the form of urine and the excreta. So that goes around 1.6 liter. In the form of insensible water loss due to evaporation through your body and due to inhalation and exhalation, with that we have been wasting around a liter. So when you consume around 2.5 liter and your wastage is 2.5 liter, then it is becoming balanced. Definitely I can vouch it, it is not so in day-to-day life. Let's move on to the next stage, how we can calculate the sensible loss with us. Some of the sports person, we take example. We have around 12 people represent the national. 70 kilo before the activity. After 2 hours of exercise or training, it is 68.5. During the course of the activity, you have taken 1 liter of water or fluid. The exercise duration is around 2 hours, which means when you calculate as a whole, you lost 2.5 kilo. When you convert into 1 hour, you lost 1.25 kilo. Ladies and gentlemen, here when you are measuring the weight, I prefer you to check the weight with minimum dresses. When I say minimum dress, for boys, I can compare straight away only with the shorts, no shoes, no t-shirts. Why? You can ask me. If you add those things, after the sweating goes out so much, it's going to be lagging into your shirt. It's going to be lagging into your socks and shoes. You will not find the correct weight, what you lost it. Remember, this is only the sensible loss we are making it count. The insensible loss is also there. Right. These are some of the available quite nearby to us so that we can replenish. Before I'm going to go for it, I will tell you, when your body weight is going down less than, or rather more than 2% of body weight, you tend to dehydrate yourself. I'll tell you another example. A player is playing, even let's say your athlete is running good. On the finishing line, he is not having good energy to finish it off. That is because the energy level is so less, or the hydration level is so less. When compared to the game, any game of that matter, even take a cricket, a solid example, between 40 to 50 overs, the runs are flowing like anything. The bowler is unable to bowl with more control when compared to the initial stage. That is one of the reasons is the hydration. When you are in a dehydrated state, your performance of thinking, or when you're attending the last period in a class, tell me honestly, when you're attending corporate class on the 8th period, it will be very tough to the teacher as well as to the children. That is because of the water intake. So believe me, ladies and gentlemen, when you're doing activity like where the sweating is not taking place so much, the water is good enough. The normal water is good enough. Whereas if you are extending your activity more than hour, or the sweating is getting more, you need to replenish with the fluid. When I say fluid, which is in addition to water, I am adding potassium. magnesium, acetic acid, calcium, so that to energize ourselves. One example on the first picture is I am putting lemon, salt, water, lemon, sugar, water. On the second slide, the watermelon is not so costly. I'm putting watermelon with ice and drinking. Coconut, the best in our place, it's available plenty. If you spend around 30 rupees, you get 750 ml, the fresh, natural potassium for you to replenish. You take the lassi or buttermilk at home. That is the best probiotic diet for you. Most important, water. If you add those minerals, it is going to help you to optimize your performances. Ladies and gentlemen, which is available, why not to take it? That is what I am trying to say. Now let's move on to one comparison here. I'm going to say there are a couple of sports person is given in the list. Somdev Varman, you all know that, is a tennis player. John Isner is the American tennis player, and Asif Abdul Rashid is a Qatar cricket player. The last one I measured myself. The rest of the details have been taken from Wikipedia. John Isner, his body mass index is so heavy. He is 6 foot and 9 inches. Dear friends, you would not have forgotten the longest match in Wimbledon played so far in the history. It is his day. He has played in 2010, June 22nd, June 23rd, June 24th. Total hours of playing time is 11 hours, 5 minutes. Look at the final set score, 70-68. Such a phenomenal endurance game he has played. Again, he's played in 2018, but this time he was the loser. With Kevin Curran, 6 hours, 26 minutes. The final set score was 28-26. Such a huge workout, such a phenomenal athlete he is. I'm trying to say something about him. When you lose, let's say we saw the comparison, 1.25 liters, how we are going to compensate for that? You need to work on this before the night, during the game, after the game. John Isner used to drink coconut water, 300 ml, every 3 hours of succession during sleep. He used to keep an alarm. The next day is the match. I drink coconut water, 300, sleep. Again, there's alarm, 300 I drink. This is to re-energize myself for the match which I'm going to play. During the match, he is going to take coconut water with sea salt. Coconut water with the sea salt during the game. After the game, coconut water with potassium powder. Because potassium is the one depletes so much during first hour of the game of any physical activity. So this is only one example I have given to you. See, when your performance fluctuate or falls down because of the water, you need to educate. That's the reason I'm saying you check your sweat rate, then you fix it up, like John Isner. Let's move on to the next topic. Tidum nandrum pirataravara, Kaniyan Pungranar said long back. So let's see what happens when I drink Coke. After 10 minutes of drinking Coke, you are taking 10 teaspoons of sugar at a time, which is equivalent for one day consumption, 24 hours of consumption. You are taking 1 hour. You don't immediately vomit because of the presence of the phosphoric acid. In 20th minute, blood sugar spikes, causing an insulin buster. The liver has to respond for that. And in 40th minute, due to the caffeine absorption, your BP raises, your pupil dilates, the liver has to respond and dumps more sugar into the blood. By that way, the adenosine receptor in your brain is blocked. It is giving a false sense to you. Now let's see after 60th minute what's happening. The phosphoric acid binds all the important minerals like calcium, magnesium, zinc, and it pushes with a metabolic activity to the lower intestine and to the urinary tract. And because of this, you are losing not only water intake, you are losing the important minerals, as I said earlier, into the urinary tract. So naturally you lose water as well as minerals, then you are in the dehydrated state already. After 60th minute, the dietetic property sets in. You will start to have a sugar crash, which means either you want to have one more Coke or you feel sluggish, irritable. Already you are in the dehydrated state. My friends, this is my humble request to all of you. The fashion is different. When you say drink, everyone wants to go for Coke or Pepsi, which is not so good. We, the children, have to know the cause and the effect of the day-to-day life so that we can adjust ourselves. As I said earlier, when we have good things on one side, when we have a bad thing on one side, which one you take it? It is you to decide and enjoy the life. Now I'm coming back to the important aspect of we. When I say we, the teachers, educators, and the parents, are you people rather. What I'm trying to say, you check it up yourself. If it is good, try to tell others so that they can follow. No, I'm trying to say now about myself, what I'm doing. I warm water around 3 liters. I take 4 glasses of warm water in the morning. When I start practicing in the beginning, it was a little bit tough because there's no taste. By around 4th day, I'm happy because all my problems sorted out. I'll continue with that. At the end, I will tell you. Then during breakfast, naturally, you will have 1 glass of water. Around 10 o'clock, you will have 1 glass of water. During lunch, I am going to have 1 glass of water. Around 3 o'clock, I'm going to have 1 glass of water. During tea time, before the tea, I'm going to have 1 glass of water. Dinner, I'm adding 1 glass of water. After dinner, I'm having 1 glass of warm water. Just imagine both early morning as well as late in the night, I'm having warm water because to improve my metabolism. In Tamil, they say, மூன்று வேளை உணவும் 3 முறை கழித்தலும் 6 முறை சிறுநீர் கழித்தலும் நன்று, which means your body is taking care itself when you follow this. In my state, it is around 12 glasses of water. So once morning is finished, I keep it near the table. This jug, this is around 2 liters, which means I am satisfied my day-to-day activity. I'm visiting toilet as it was noted.
Hello.
When your body is taken care, naturally you will get the benefit. When I'm enjoying benefit, I'm trying to tell others. In our school, we are putting the chart in all the toilets. What is the importance? When the color of urine goes yellow, you should drink water, all these things. You can make it even in your institution. Right. Make the habit of carrying water or enough water with you wherever you are doing activity. At the same time, remember one thing, do not expose your water bottle on the sun. Again, if the water level, rather the temperature level of the water goes above 37 degrees, the plastic particles in the water bottle are getting depleted, which is harmful to your body. So do not expose to the sun. You can carry it, maybe you can cover it without the sunlight. Again, those who are traveling in a car, do not leave it the water bottle on the car and go and come back and drink. Try to carry a water bottle with you. That is my suggestion. Right. Being an organizer, check enough water is present for full range of activity. Anything. Either you can say kabaddi match, or you can say the athletic event. See that the enough water children are having it, or in their reach it is there. Right. These are some of the benefits I am trying to give it. It increases the energy. It increases the metabolism. It adjusting the weight loss. Even on the COVID condition, believe me, if you start practicing, you will enjoy the benefit. Once it's becoming habit, you will not forget. It helps to repair the muscles. It's great for skin. For the young people to be looking young, particularly when you're adding the coconut with you, it's adding extra energy. It boosts immune system and flushes toxin. It's great for all the joints and pain. The water maintains the pH balance on the body, and it promotes as well as regularize your digestion process. Right. Bharati said, எண்ணிய முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவை எண்ணல் வேண்டும். With this quote, I'm trying to say something important. The poor man vessel, we call it as the pot. When I keep the water in the pot, after warming it up and putting it, it gives me clean and cold water, which gives me the balanced pH value water, which increases the metabolism. On the other side, there are two metals I kept it. One is brass and one is copper. These two metals are very, very important role it plays in our life. That is why during a marriage, all the vessels are given in olden days, either copper or brass. These days, now the things are changing to silver. But the olden days, people thought in their best health, when you pour water on these two vessels, the zinc particle which is present in those metals are diluted. It's soluble to the water, and I'm consuming. It increases my immune power. It increases again the metabolism. At last, you will see after 2 days in the vessel down, the green patches. These are harmful for your health. Even in the pot, you will see the earthen part. After 2 days, if you touch and see a green particles which is sedimented there, again, which is not good for your health. Elanir, my favorite. What else you need to replenish yourself? It's available plenty in our place. Go drink and enjoy the life. Last word with Vivekananda, I want to finish. நீ பட்ட துன்பத்தை விட அதில் நீ பெற்ற அனுபவமே சிறந்தது. I repeat, நீ பட்ட துன்பத்தை விட அதில் நீ பெற்ற அனுபவமே சிறந்தது. With your experience, enjoy the life with a good hydration. Over to you. In case of any questions, I am there to answer for your queries, please.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much of your enlightening session. Samuel, sir, it is audible?
Sir, is it audible, sir? And we have a question also in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Now the questions sessions are open. Anybody want to ask a question, you can put in the chat box. Before that, I like to thank so much for the enlightening session, sir. In this webinar, you quoted many Tamil quotes, how to drink the water, why to drink the water, and also what to drink the cold drinks and everything. And also you have given many information about our college, friend, as you spend lots of time in this session as a valuable, noteworthy, exemplary, and in terms of subject content and everything was said very clearly, sir. I like to thank you. We will get positive comments from the chat box also. I think everybody understand your Tamil language, which was you clearly explained the sessions. I like to thank sir. Now I like to uh, ask some of the questions, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. Pari sir, are you there, sir? Dr. Pari sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm there. I'm here only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Yeah, you can ask a question, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can ask the question, sir. Question. Now the question session is open, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
At the very outset, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our resource person of this webinar, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, for enlightening us in all the way about the importance of water. Now there is one question from the audience.
Please, please.
You asked us to take 2.2 liters of water per day, and you said 8 glasses of water in a day. And also you said through sweating and other things, the excretion of water level is more than 2 liters. Please throw light on that, sir.
Right. Yes. Yes. Good morning. Yeah. As I said earlier, when we are doing the activity like yoga, let us say for the exercise, we are doing yoga these days, where the sweating is not taking place so much. So when you replenish with water, it is good enough. There again, you are not exerting, so you need little water only. Whereas when you are doing any physical labor, let us say in terms of sport, or I'm doing work in my home or outside home, where I'm doing a physical labor, where the sweating taking place so much, that too in the condition in Chennai, which makes you sweat a lot, where you need to replenish along with the water some more minerals. It depends upon the sweating rate. That's what I said. You check the sweat rate yourself. Couple of days, then you can understand how much sweat is being wasted. So you try to replenish yourself. It is your judgment again. See, for the team, like a national team, that there is somebody called trainers. They will do the job. It is my job. When I was a trainer, I used to check the weight before the competition begin, and after the competition is over, it's my duty again to check. Then it is a record for me. As I said earlier, the Abdul Rashid, one of the player from Qatar, he played 50 overs match. He lost 3.75 kilo, but at the end of the match, he was completely like dead wood, completely cramped. Not one place. The whole body is cramped. We got him after 3 days of recovery. Hydrate, keep drinking, putting him into the cold pool. So many things we started doing it to bring him back. So that's the worst case. So when I'm not practicing these things, it is going to happen for you, particularly for the young athletes. The people like Daniel or Dr. Pari should advocate slowly how to take hydration, so that you get the performance as well as you keep the athlete also safe. I hope I can answer your question, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, one question from a student, Narendra Kumar is asking, sir. What is the best time to drink coconut water? He is asking what is the best time to drink the coconut water?
That's a good question. Okay. Definitely not early in the morning. early in the morning, warm water is good so that you are optimizing your digestive process. It is better after your breakfast. It is better after your breakfast, the Eleni.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. One more question, sir.
Yes,
As
please.
you said about one more question we have. The tennis player John Isner and Sopdev Varman played more than a number of hours in a match. So for common people, how can
Yeah.
they manage day-to-day activities, sir? How they can consume the water? Can you explain, sir?
Right. Okay. Definitely it's a tough question. When you look at our place, the agriculturist, let's look at a little bit down part. Then we come to normal side. The water used to flow on the water canals. So whenever they need, they just have little water and they start doing their work. It's the same concept we need to follow. Normally, we don't carry water. Believe me, even in the sports field, it's happened to me as well. In the sports field, when I consider, okay, let's say athletic practice, I chart out my program. Okay, today I'm going to give the circuit training. What are the necessary things for circuit training? Okay, this. But no water is there on that. But water is supposed to be the first one you should have taken it. Since the awareness is not there, we tend to leave it to the children. Okay, you take care. Believe me, when we started taking care with that aspect also, they will give back more than what they are giving to you now. And not only that, the performance level of those athletes will be optimal, will be good, consistent. I think that answered your question, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You have answered all the questions, sir, and also you
Sir,
have
one more.
ended. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, pardon.
Tell
One,
me, sir.
Yes,
sir, one. Yes, sir. Please, sir. Before I place my question before the resource person, at the very outset, on behalf of the August participants, we place on our high regards to our hero of the webinar, Mr. B. Karthikeyan, for his commendable presentation and also extensive and intensive in all the way about the importance of water. You made us all to think, to realize what, why, when, how, and how much, and several other essential aspects of water intake. Really, on behalf of the participants, we extend a sincere thanks to our resource person, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, for his excellent way of rendering a topic with nice anecdotes and examples. It is also our bound duty from the participants' side to thank the KCS Kasinagar College authorities, especially most revered, highly adored principal ma'am, for having given permission to have this webinar on this special day. And on behalf of the participants, we extend a special thanks to Organizing Secretary, Professor Daniel and his department team for having carried out the webinar in a spectacular way. So this is my question, sir. He said, before the competition drinks and after, during the competition drinks, please throw light on that, sir.
Okay, right. It's a good question, sir. Normally, the myth is that the athlete is going to run. Normally, we don't allow the athlete to run. I mean, to drink water. One example I'm giving you, because it's heavy, then you will feel vomiting. All these things we say. Just imagine some of the video clippings of the world record holder. You can understand the importance of it. I can say simple light on that way. Water is necessary. It is up to you when to drink, how to drink. Again, it is not good to go like straight away 250 ml before running. Maybe a sip of water, just to gossip myself to make my system all right. These are the routines. Particularly when compared to the sports people, the tennis people are more advanced, more systematic, more professionals. So that is why I brought two tennis players into the comparison. As I said earlier, in my presence, it so happened for Abdul Rashid of Qatar, because we are not throwing light on that, practices. So we need to practice. It is not one day, believe me. It's a couple of days, it's consistent level. Then if the athlete is understanding the importance of it, he will carry or she will carry the water bottle with them. So that's what we need to do. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your elaborate and excellent example, sir. Thanks
Only,
a lot.
with one point I want to finish. Just one point, sir.
Sir, last only one question, sir. Final question, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
You said they lost sweat some in kgs, sir. How can we measure it, sir? That one question from the student side, sir. How can we measure the sweat rate in the kgs?
I'll repeat again. I have already said, but anyhow, it's good to go for it. Say, for example, my weight is 70 kilo before I'm starting an activity. Let us say I'm starting athletic training. Before warm up, I check my weight with only shorts. I explain the reason also. When I'm putting t-shirt and shoes and socks, after the end of activity, it is going to be full of sweating. Those sweating also to be added in your weight. So that is why I said you remove the shirt and shoes, socks, everything before the warm up. Once all the activities are over, when it's coming to cool down point, you all doing warm down, right? On that point again, you go check the weight. There will be a difference, definitely. Let's say when you're doing a football practice, sir, you will see at least 1 kilo to 1.5 kilo, sir, 100%. If you're finishing one football match, you will see an athlete losing 1 to 1.5 kilo. That is normal, very minimal rather. In Chennai, it will be more. I'm 100% sure.
Thank you, sir.
So that is how you measure the weight. Then I said your initial weight is 70 kilo. You lost, let's say, 1.5 kilo, and you drank during the game 1 liter. We brought those example there. So total loss is 2.5 kilo in 2 hours of session. Then we divided by 2. It became 1.25 liters. That's how we should calculate. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your enlightening session and the questions also, sir. Question you answered in such a wonderful way, sir. Now I like to show a small token of.
Just one moment, sir. Let me finish. Thank you. Thank you so much. I know KCS College is very, very known for the appointment or placement, and because once you study from here, definitely you're getting a job. What I want to say a point to me is, I'll add value in your education. To your surrounding, what you can give. To your society, what you can do. To your family, what you can give. Just think of these learned children going to change the world in the future. Now over to you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity on this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your encouragement to the students who participated in this webinar, sir. This is a small certificate we are giving to you, sir. This is a small token of love, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Certificate, sir. Now it's I invite Ms. Revati give a vote of thanks to this webinar.
Thank you, sir. A warm greetings to all. I take this opportunity to thank our management members, Patron P. Dharmarajan, sir, President G. Surlivel, sir, Vice President U. Prakash, sir, Secretary and Correspondent PCA Vairamani, sir, Assistant Secretary A. N. Rajan, sir, Treasurer N. Ganesan, sir, board members, and Principal Dr. Mrs. Shobha Edward Ma'am, Vice Principals, HODs, faculty members, and non-teaching faculties for their constant support and guidance. I also extend my thanks to our class teachers and students for their presence on this day. I hereby thank man of the webinar, a resource person, Mr. V. Karthikeyan sir, for his valuable speech. We express our gratitude to you, sir. Also, I thank the organizing and technical committee of the Department of Computer Science who acted as backbone of this event. I especially thank the physical directors, physical education teachers, and students of various institutions for their enthusiastic participation. Once again, on behalf of our KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone for making the webinar a memorable one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Samuel, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, tell me, sir.
About the group photo, sir.
Yes, sir. Participants, I request all the participants to show your video. That is, you can enable your video so that we can take a virtual group photo. Participants, you can switch on your video so that we can have a virtual photo, virtual group photo.
Yes. Yes. Now
you.
all the participants, you can show your video on.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I
And
request all the
also,
participants if you can. Yes.
kindly fill up the feedback link. Samuel, sir, you can put the feedback link, sir.
Yes, sir. I have
Samuel,
posted
sir?
in the chat box. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I have posted in the chat window, so you can fill up the feedback form also.
Yes, sir. Kindly, all the participants, kindly fill up the feedback link.
Yes. We are waiting for other participants to enable the video. Yes.
On this time, I like to thank once again the resource person, Mr. Karthikeyan sir, who spent a valuable time in our college, and you gone through all the difficulties. You came as a resource person here, and also I like to thank once again. I like to thank the college management members, board members, principal madam, vice principals, head of the various departments, faculty members who attended this webinar, make this grand success. I like to thank the students also who was participating in this webinar on this National Sports Day occasion. And I also express sincere thanks to all the participants, the technical committee, Mr. Samuel from the computer science department, who helped me in this webinar in a grand success. Samuel, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, participants. Thank you. Now you can disable your camera. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you.
Sir, can you put that video, sir? So they can fill
Okay,
up the
sir.
feedback link. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Once again, I like to thank all participated their valuable time in this webinar.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Can I leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, madam.
Daniel sir, shall we end the session? Daniel sir, it is not audible.
சார் சாமுவேல் சார் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
சார் ஆடியோவே இல்ல சார், வெறும் வீடியோ மட்டும் தான் ப்ளே ஆகுது.
ஆடியோ இல்லையா?
ஆஹா, இவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆடியோவே இல்ல.
இப்ப கேக்குதா சார்?
நோ.
ஆடியோ எனக்கு கேக்குது சார்.
இங்க ஒண்ணுமே கேட்கல. வீடியோ முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, பட் ஆடியோவே கேட்கல. இந்த கோட்டும் இல்ல. உங்களது மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களது மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு போடுங்க. இல்ல உங்களது அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க வீடியோ ப்ளே பண்ணுங்க. சுத்தமா கேட்கலையா?
Okay, okay, no
ஆடியோவே
problem.
இல்லை. Daniel sir, shall we end the meeting end பண்ணிடலாமா? இன்னொரு 5 minutes wait பண்ணுவோமா?
You can put the thank you video, thank you slide, sir. You can put that thank you slide, sir. 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Yeah, thank you வீடியோவே அனுப்புவேன்.
Slide.
Slide is not available. I am downloading from 1 minute.
Okay, I'll put, sir. I'll put.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Where is that?
Samuel, sir. Samuel, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can we end the session, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to the participant. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Daniel, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Wow.